Welcome to Cursive Lesson 29, where we're working on our high frequency words of in and is. So the and is probably the most frequent word. The letter T you write very frequently, but also the capital letter I you write quite a lot. So we need to be used to writing capital T's and capital I's because they come up in a lot of different words. Make sure you put your heading on the top. Our directions: trace each word and use the dots provided to practice writing each word. Okay, so we have the word in. We're going to connect the letters and then go back and put the dot on the I at the end. Okay, so starting dot, we're going to slant up, retrace back down, touch the bottom, trace up toward the middle, and this gets us into position to make our N. Where you go down to the bottom, retrace up, touch the middle, curve to the bottom, make your tail. Then you go back and you put the dot on your I. Starting dot, slant up, retrace down to the bottom, slant up to the middle to put you in position to make your N. Then you make your tail. Then you go back and dot your I. Starting dot, slant up, retrace back down, slant up. Now we're in position to make our N. Make your tail, go back and dot your I. Alright, now we're going to make some on our own. We're going to slant up, retrace back down, touch the bottom, slant up toward the middle. We're in position now to make our N. Make your tail, go back and dot your I. Starting dot, slant up, retrace back down, touch the bottom, retrace, slant up, in position to make our N, make your tail, dot your I. Starting dot, we're going to slant up, retrace back down, touch the bottom, slant up to the middle to make our N, where we touch the bottom, retrace up, touch the middle, curve, touch the bottom, make your tail. Then we pick up the pencil and dot the I. So that's lowercase I, and here's capital I. Now there may be another way to form the capital I, where you start here and you cross, but this is the way that I've learned and I've taught in the past. So I'm going to start on the starting dot, slant out, make a point, curve to the bottom, slant all the way to the top, loop back, touch the bottom, slant up to the middle. Now I'm in position to make that N, where I touch the bottom, retrace, curve, touch the bottom, make your tail. So starting dot, we're going to curve out, make a point, touch the bottom, slant up, loop back, touch the bottom, slant up to the middle. Now we're going to make N and a tail. Starting dot, slant out, make a point, curve to the bottom, slant all the way to the top, loop back, touch the bottom, slant up to the middle. Now we're in position to make our N, and then make your tail. So now we're going to do the word N with capital I. Starting dot, we're going to slant out, make a point, curve to the bottom, slant all the way to the top, loop back, touch the bottom, kind of like an L with just this extra part here. Slant up to the middle. Now we're in position to make our N, retrace, touch the bottom, make your tail. Starting dot, slant out, make a point, curve to the bottom, slant to the top, loop back, touch the bottom, slant up to the middle. Now we're in position to make our N and our tail. Starting dot, I'm going to slant out, make a point, touch the bottom, slant up, loop back, touch the bottom. So make sure it crosses here near the line, not way up here. Slant up to the middle to be able to complete your N and make your tail. So that's the word in. with lowercase I and capital I. Now we're going to do the word is. So we've practiced our I's. Now we need to remember how to make those S's. Starting dot, we're going to slant up, retrace, slant up, make a point. We're going to curve down to the bottom, kind of make like a little belly, touch, and then we're going to retrace and make your tail. Then you go back and dot your I. Starting dot, slant up to the middle, retrace back down, touch the bottom, slant up to the middle, make a point, curve around, touch the line, retrace, make your tail, pick it up, dot your I. Starting dot, slant up, retrace back down, slant up, you make a point, curve down, make a belly, go back and touch, retrace, make your tail, then dot your I. Starting dot, slant up, retrace back down, slant, make a point, make a belly, curve, touch, retrace, make your tail, and dot your I. So that is I-S. Now we're going to make some on our own. We're going to slant up to the middle, retrace, touch the bottom, slant up to the middle. We're going to make a point here and curve around, make a belly, touch, retrace, make your tail. My S there is much bigger than these. That's okay. Then you dot your I. Starting dot, slant up, retrace back down, slant up to the middle, make a point, curve around, touch, retrace, make your tail. Starting dot, slant up, retrace back down. Now we're going to make our S, slant up, make a point, curve around, touch, retrace. So that's I-S. Starting dot, slant up, retrace back down, slant up, make our S, make a point, curve around, retrace, make your tail, and then we go back and dot the I. Okay, now is with the capital I. Starting dot, we're going to slant out, make a point, curve to the bottom, slant all the way to the top, loop back, touch the bottom, slant to the middle, make a point, curve around, like a belly, retrace, make your tail. Starting dot, and a curve out, make a point, curve down to the bottom, slant all the way to the top, loop back, touch the bottom, slant all the way to the middle, make a point, curve around, touch the bottom, touch, retrace, make your tail. Starting dot, slant out, make a point, curve down to the bottom, slant up, loop back, touch the bottom, slant to the middle, make a point, curve around, touch the bottom, retrace, make your tail. Starting dot, slant out, make a point, curve down, touch the bottom, slant up, curve back, touch the bottom, slant up to make our S, make the point, curve around, make that belly, retrace, make your tail. Starting dot, slant out, make a point, curve down to the bottom, slant all the way to the top, loop back, touch the bottom, slant up to the middle, make a point, curve around, touch, retrace, make your tail. Starting dot, slant out, curve down, slant up, loop back, touch the bottom. Now our letter S, we're going to slant up to the middle, make a point, make a belly, retrace, make your tail. So we've now practiced the words in and is. Go ahead and practice more on the back. And thank you for joining me.